Hi everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Or, if you're new here, I'm so glad you found us. Today, I'll show you how to sew this beautiful hobo-style bag. It's modern, minimalist, and surprisingly easy to make. This project is perfect for beginners or anyone looking for a quick and satisfying sewing session. We'll be using a soft faux leather, but you can customize it with any fabric you like. The bag is fully lined, features a magnetic snap closure, and is designed to be both stylish and practical, perfect for everyday use. Let's get started. The bag pattern includes 3 sizes, Mini, Midi, and Maxi, and each of them is sewn in the exact same way. Choose the one that best suits your needs. The Mini version is a small, handheld bag, minimalist, and perfect as a subtle accessory to complete your outfit. The Midi is great for everyday use, while the Maxi version works perfectly for larger shopping trips, gym visits, or a day at the beach. To add structure, you can use specialized bag stabilizers or make your own, just like I did. Simply fuse several layers of interfacing together until you achieve a firmer base, perfect for the bottom of the bag. This method gently reinforces the shape while still allowing the fabric to remain flexible and easy to work with. You can also skip this step if you prefer your bag to have a softer, more relaxed and slouchy look. In addition to its relaxed shape, this bag is also characterized by its twisted handle, which adds a unique and charming touch. To create the twist, simply cross the left and right handle pieces over each other and stitch them together. Follow what you see in the video carefully to make sure this step is done correctly. We're almost done sewing this simple, viral handbag. Now let's sew the lining. Remember to leave an opening so you can turn the bag right side out later. Next, secure the side seams of the lining to the inner seams of the bag. This will prevent the lining from pulling out or shifting. Repeat this step on both sides for a clean and stable finish. Finally, close the opening in the lining with a narrow top stitch. And that's it. Your very own hobo-style bag is ready to wear.